Hey everyone! I have some exciting news to share with you. My studio has been redecorated. The most enchanting part is the ceiling, which now features a matte white classic 3D pattern. Take a look at this effect, isn't it stunning? These intricate and delicate designs seem to tell an ancient story in every detail. The entire studio has become instantly more elegant thanks to this ceiling, and working here feels like being in an art palace. Moreover, the walls are adorned with some of my favorite artworks. There's an incredibly cool deer drawing, along with various other pieces, each with its own unique charm. Natural light pours in through the large windows, complementing the classic ceiling, making the whole space come alive. Now, working in this artistic environment fills me with inspiration and motivation every day. I hope my sharing can bring you some decorating ideas as well. Let's create a more beautiful work environment together.